All right, guys, so we are here in Paris in Las Vegas. We're going to redo the strip walk. The last time we did this was in March of 2017. So since we're over here, we're going to redo the walkthrough of Paris. So up right over here is the Paris Theater. Right now we are in the lobby check-in for the hotel. So this is where you come to check in for your room here at Paris. It's absolutely beautiful in this lobby. Elegant old French style. I love it. The rooms are here pretty decent too. The last time we stayed here at Paris, we got hooked up pretty decent. Got like a floor 27 overlooking the Bellagio fountains. It was actually really, really nice. So I'll show you where the guest elevators and things are, but first we'll wrap our way around the left-hand side here. We will get and show you where the taxi, valet, things like that are. Self-parking garage is also back around this way as well. But if you go out all these doors here, that's where you go to get like valet, anything like that, taxis, Ubers, Lyfts, those guys will be out there as well. One of my favorite parts about Paris here in Las Vegas is the ceiling design. It looks like you are walking outside when you're inside the casino because it's all painted with blue with clouds. It's really sweet. So they used to have a stage up here over on the left-hand side. We'll have to see if that's still here. It was here the last time I stayed at Paris, and that was March of 2017 is when I stayed here. So yes, they still have the entertainment stage. We were here on a weekend that time, and this place was going on the weekend too, so. So up on this left-hand side here is going to be the Chateau, as well as the restrooms here. They have restrooms up over on the left-hand side, and then the Hex Kitchen is a really good place to eat. I had a friend that had eaten there and said that it was a decent place to grab a bite to eat. So we will wrap you around here. If you're trying to leave and go to the front of Paris and hit the boulevard, right out there is the way out to Las Vegas Boulevard. Also right across the street is the Bellagio, so if you're trying to see the Bellagio fountains, you can go out that way and be able to catch the show. But right up those stairs through that elevator is the way to get to the Eiffel Tower restaurant. Got a bunch of table games that are all kind of in the center of Paris. Kind of on the outside is a mix and match of a little bit of everything that's out there. Now you can go up into the Eiffel Tower on the viewing deck as well. The Eiffel Tower, I believe, is a half-scale replica, so it's about 540 feet tall, so don't quote me if I'm off on that. Just trying to play it by memory. So Miami Gambi, I don't know what the hell that is. Looks like a restaurant. So up here is a gift shop for Paris. You can go in there and get some things.
Give you some show tonight, guys.
No, we're okay, thank you. So if you want to go up to the Eiffel Tower viewing deck, the tickets are right over there. Gustav's Bar is over on the right-hand side. I have a few TVs there. Games in the bar top. So that is a little place if you want to grab a drink and do some gaming at the same time. You can do that there. So they have a bunch of table games up off over on the left-hand side, and over on the right would be the cashier's cage, but the high limit saloon is going to be up over here on the left. I like this center thing too. It's kind of cool. The architecture is way sweet. A little bit of water going on. but we'll stay over here on the left. So, Island of Tables right there. Gordon Ramsay's steak is straight ahead of you there as well. The champagne slots or high limit slots would be right over there. Sorry, it's hard to point out on the camera. A bunch of table games in the middle as well. So we will check Blackjack $10 minimums. Blackjack $10 minimums. 15 there, 15 on the other ones. So kind of expensive. $10 minimums is what it looks like here at Paris. They've got some shops and stuff that are straight ahead of you. This is the little bar here. I guess that you would call this the lobby bar right here. Up over in the left-hand side is also the buffet here at Paris. It's a pretty decent buffet. It's kind of on the spendy side, but it's really good. So if you keep walking this way, this will actually take you up to the parking garage where you can self-park. This will also take you to your guest elevators as well as valleys. So if you're trying to hit up valleys, you can go this way to do that. So over on the right-hand side here, that's where you go in for your hotel elevators to go up to your room. Have a few Asian cuisines over on the left. It looks like a little sushi place up here on the left as well. And then there is one of my favorite parts here is the little hole-in-the-wall pizza place. So I'm going to show you that, and then I think we will cut it here. And I promised you guys I have not done valleys yet, so we're going to do that here in a minute. This restaurant is pretty cool. It's pretty expensive. I think the last time we went here, I showed you the menu board. So if you want us to check that, we can do that again for you as well. So as you can see, linguine and clam sauce, $32. Prime New York strip, $18.31, 60 bucks. I guess it's not too terribly bad. It is a dress-up restaurant though, I do know that much. Wearing what I'm wearing will not get you into that place. So up over to the right-hand side is the little hole-in-the-wall pizza place. This place was delicious. The wife and I ate here several times when we were in Las Vegas. But right over here is the little hole-in-the-wall. Be sure to check that out if you're here in Paris. It is a good bite to eat. But I think that's where we will leave off today. We are leaving Paris here. We're headed over to Bally's. But my name is Ryan. I'm your host. As always on these walkthroughs of the casino, the strip walks, and downtown as well. But I will leave off with you here. If you're interested in supporting the channel, please consider doing so by the links in the description below. You can do that through Patreon or by purchasing merchandise like t-shirts, etc. But I appreciate all the continued support, guys. It's been a great one. We'll pick up on the next one.